Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Molly. Today I'm going to be making a pineapple cream cheese jelly, or as it's called in the book, pineapple cheese salad. Basically, it's a gelatin mold. This is the first one I've done on the show and I'm excited. So this recipe comes from the Knox gelatin book, which was published around, or copyrighted around 1943. And it's basically just gelatin, pineapple, and you get to choose what kind of cheese you put in there. I chose to put the cream cheese in there, but I could have put in American cheese. So, which would have been an interesting option. I just didn't have it on hand. So anyways, gelatin mold. Let's get started. So I soaked it in some warm water. I'm going to try to get it out. Hopefully it doesn't break and it comes out. Oh, that was pretty simple. And there it is. Nice. It worked. It worked. Awesome. Oh, it smells like pineapple. Okay, this is exciting. It didn't break. It just plopped right on out. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier. I did spray the pan with some nonstick cooking spray. The instructions didn't say to do that, but I've made jello molds before and I've always done them and had good luck. So just spray yours with nonstick cooking spray if you do decide to do this recipe. Let's get a close up. Look at that beauty. It doesn't really shake very much. Look at that. All right. Gorgeous. Dan, look what I made. A gelatin mold. Aren't you excited?
I am. I love gelatin molds.
He actually does. So, well, this one's not that horrifying. It's basically a pineapple cream cheese jelly. That's what I'm calling it. The recipe in the book calls it a pineapple cheese salad. Mm-hmm. I just thought mine was a little bit more descriptive. So,
as long as it doesn't have mayonnaise in it.
There's no mayonnaise.
I don't care for jello molds with mayonnaise.
Now the recipe did suggest that it be served with mayonnaise with diced peppers on top, and I opted not to do that because why? Anyways, I don't know why. So it's just basically it's like, you know, gelatin, lemon juice, pineapple, and cream cheese. Now it gave you an option for cheese. You could either put cream cheese in it or American cheese. I chose the cream cheese, clearly. So you ready for this?
Yeah.
It is what it is.
And it held its shape too, like it's not falling apart or...
It did hold its shape.
Thank you.
All right, let's dig into this. Truly delightful. That's really delicious. It's really good.
It's got good pineapple taste.
Yeah.
You can really taste the cream cheese.
This is delicious. This is really delicious. This reminds me of that pineapple meringue pie I made a while back. I'll link to that video somewhere up here. The link will appear if I can figure that out. Anyways, yeah, the pineapple meringue pie. This is reminiscent of the pineapple meringue pie because, you know, they both have crushed pineapple in them. But this is good. I would make this again. It's creamy. It's got a strong pineapple flavor. I don't know what it would be like with American cheese. That would be a little strange. But with the cream cheese, dang, that's spot on. That's good. What do you know?
Yeah, no, it's really good.
Absolutely.
It's a nice treat on a hot day.
And it is a warmish day. So it is a nice treat. I'm gonna suspend everything in gelatin. Hamburgers, French fries, hot dogs. Yeah.
You're taking gelatin too far.
I am gonna suspend everything in gelatin. This is a great introductory gelatin mold to people who think gelatin molds are gross. This will change your mind.
Yeah, I really liked it. You know, I had one once that had mayonnaise in it.
Yeah, that was my mistake. I didn't think you'd be able to taste the mayonnaise in it. They put mayonnaise in everything.
Don't recommend mayonnaise.
I don't mind mayonnaise.
Right.
I like the flavor of mayonnaise.
But this was really good, and then
yeah.
you made that raspberry one the other day. That was delicious.
Yeah, you did like that. Yeah, that one is pretty special. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and comment below and let me know if you like gelatin molds. And if you do make gelatin molds, what kind of gelatin molds do you make? I think they need to make a comeback. The good ones, at least.
This is delicious.
I am going to try the aspects.
I am definitely, I want to see more jello molds on here
Okay.
for you to make. So.
Okay, we can do that. They're going to get heinous. FYI.
Can't wait.
I know, you're going to try. All right, see you guys in the next video.
See you guys later.
Bye.